Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on repairing the HP ElitBook 850G6 motherboard. In this video, we'll go through the necessary steps to ensure a successful repair. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a precision screwdriver set, specifically a Torx T5 and T6 screwdriver, a plastic spudger for safely prying open the device, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent damage from static electricity. Ensure that you have a clean and organized workspace to keep your components safe and easily accessible. Begin by shutting down the laptop and removing the battery. This is crucial for your safety and for protecting the device during repair. Next, locate the screws on the bottom cover. Use your T5 screwdriver to remove these screws carefully. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing any. After removing the screws, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the bottom cover. Take your time here, rushing can damage the clips that hold the cover in place. Once the cover is off, you'll have access to the internal components of the laptop. This is a great time to perform a thorough cleaning. Use compressed air to blow out dust and debris, particularly around the fans and heat sinks. This will improve airflow and cooling performance. Now, let's focus on the motherboard. If you suspect any issues, you might want to inspect the capacitors and solder joints for any signs of damage. If you find any faulty components, replacing them may require some soldering skills and tools such as a soldering iron and solder wick. At this point, if you don't have the necessary tools or feel uncomfortable proceeding with the repair, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help identify issues quickly and accurately. Next, we'll need to remove the motherboard itself. Use the T6 screwdriver to remove the screws securing the motherboard. Carefully lift it out, but be cautious of any cables connected to it. Disconnect these cables gently, forcing them can cause damage. Once the motherboard is out, you can perform any repairs or replacements needed. If you're replacing components, ensure they are compatible with the HP ElitBook 850G6. If you need assistance, we can provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. After completing your repairs, it's time to reassemble the laptop. Place the motherboard back in its slot and reconnect all cables securely. Make sure everything is in its proper place and that no cables are pinched when securing the motherboard with screws. Now, replace the bottom cover. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Reinsert the screws and tighten them with your T5 screwdriver. Remember, don't over-tighten, as this can strip the screws or damage the casing. Finally, reinsert the battery and power on the laptop. Check to see if everything is functioning properly. If you encounter any issues, or if you prefer not to handle repairs yourself, we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you can avoid the hassle of calls and travel while getting your device fixed. Thank you for following along with this HP ElitBook 850G6 repair process. We hope this tutorial has been helpful, and remember, for any assistance, our professional services are just a call away. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.